Let's talk about the commodity markets. Manisha, the commodities that you're tracking today.
Well, I'm looking at metals as a sector, and if you look at pardon me, if you look at the space, we have seen gains continue onto this one. So when you look at the China financial policy meeting that happened over the weekend, there are some positives coming in from this one as well. So the markets are looking at China setting up a mechanism to resolve the debt crisis. It also has to do with financing of property enterprises. And then China meeting also spoke about the housing demand policies that would be put in place as well. So various things, and the metals seem to be taking support from that one. Apart from that, the US Fed meeting that happened yesterday, we saw interest rates kept unchanged on expected lines, and the statements also were not read as very hawkish, and that in turn supported as well. You saw the decline in US dollar index, and that in turn also was supportive. Apart from that, there is opportunity buying at the lower levels, because when you look at the month of October or September for that matter, we have seen metal prices decline. So at these lower levels, there are some buying opportunities that we also seem to be looking at. Glencore came out with a report, and they said that the 9 months of 2023, their own production in sense of copper has declined by 5%, and in case of zinc, the production fell by 4%. So for copper and zinc, this was an added impetus to see some more buying there. I want to talk about copper more, because when you look at the month of November, we've started on a firm note, and copper has posted 3 monthly declines in the previous one. So on quarterly basis, copper was in the negative there. There also has been a decline on LME and Shanghai inventories that has been supportive. The open interest in the meanwhile also continues to be lower. So that tells you that the participation is not as much. For aluminum as well, it has been about the smelters in southern province of China, where we have seen productions decline. China, southern province, is mostly hydropower dependent, and we are looking at dry region there, drought kind of a situation, and that has led to curbs in aluminum production, in turn supporting prices. Zinc also is trading at a 1-month highs right now. This is after Nyrstar has said that they are going to shut 2 mines facilities in US, and that has led to buying premium into this space as well. Iron ore also is trading at a 7-month highs. You have seen disruptions in Australia because of a labour strike possibility there. And apart from that, there also is a Citi report which says that you could be looking at a $20 ton of a price coming in for iron ore prices soon. I quickly want to take you to the last plate, which tells you on how the metal prices have behaved on a week-on-week basis, and it all is in green. The best of gains coming in for copper, steel and iron ore, with nearly 3% of a jump up. We also are looking at positive moves now coming in for aluminum and zinc.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's a quick check on commodities.